Today we're at the Emeryville Marina for the fall salmon season opener. I'm a lifelong salmon angler, so the opportunity to get out and go catch salmon after a couple-year hiatus is pretty exciting. While we're not where we want to be with salmon populations, just the fact that we get to go out at all, I think, is encouraging for signs to come.
So what are we doing with the fish? Are we grilling them?
We grill them, make some soup out of them.
Sushi, you know what I mean? You know, the best.
For any fish that have an adipose fin clip, we will remove the head, take a fork length measurement, remove the head, and collect that for recovery of that coated wire tag. Additionally, we're engaging in some pilot sampling for genetic sampling from the non-adipose fin clipped fish.
Very good. Fishing was good. A lot of boats out there, but the seas were flat, so it was a good experience, yeah.
You only need to look around this marina today. You see all the people, all the boats coming in, the smiles on people's faces, and it really gives you an idea of the impact that a vibrant salmon fishery can have for the state of California.